In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an AWS ECR repository. Whether you're new to AWS or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you get your repository up and running smoothly. To get started, open your AWS Management Console. Once you're in, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is your gateway to accessing various AWS services quickly. Here you'll want to type in ECR. As you type, you should see a few options pop up, but go ahead and select Elastic Container Registry from the list. This service, often abbreviated as ECR, is designed to store, manage, and deploy Docker container images, making it an essential tool for developers working with containerized applications. Now, before we dive deeper, it's crucial to double-check your AWS region. You'll find this information at the top right corner of your console. AWS is organized into regions, each of which is a separate geographic area. The region you select will determine where your resources are physically located. It's important to ensure that you are in the correct geographical region, especially the one where your compute clusters, such as Amazon ECS or EKS, are situated. This ensures optimal performance and avoids any unexpected issues related to latency or compliance requirements. If you need to change your region, simply click on the region name and choose the appropriate one from the drop-down menu. Once you've confirmed your region, you're ready to create your repository. On the Elastic Container Registry dashboard, look for a button labeled Create Repository. Click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new repository. Choose a name that is both descriptive and easy to remember, as this will help you identify and manage your repositories more effectively in the future. As you proceed, you'll encounter several configuration options. One of these is the Scan on Push feature. This option allows ECR to automatically scan your images for vulnerabilities each time you push a new image to the repository. Enabling this feature can provide an added layer of security, helping you identify potential issues early on. Consider your security needs and decide whether to enable this feature. Next, you will see the option to add encryption settings. By default, ECR encrypts your images at rest using server-side encryption with Amazon-managed keys. However, if you have specific encryption requirements, you can choose to use your own customer-managed keys. Review all your settings to ensure everything looks good. It's always a good practice to double-check your configurations before finalizing any setup. When you're satisfied with your configurations, go ahead and click the Create Repository button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your AWS ECR repository. With your repository in place, you're now ready to push Docker images to it, enabling seamless deployments across your applications. As you work with your repository, remember to regularly monitor and maintain it to ensure your images remain secure and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate the process of creating an AWS ECR repository. If you found this tutorial useful, consider subscribing for more AWS tips and tricks. Happy cloud computing!